Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Tatalicious and Zuva's reunion. How are you, my people? How is everyone doing? I'm happy that everyone is, ready to join in. I can see people are coming. How is everyone doing? How is everyone doing? Welcome to Tate and Zuva reunion. And we are saying, Zuva and I, have agreed to say we don't tolerate cyberbullying. And we really need to come in front of everyone to talk about how we view, each other's personal differences. And of course, I need to really lay out this difference. It's me who was very wrong in saying the hure word to Zuva. Zuva have never told me that she's a prostitute, and it was so wrong for me to do that. That's why I have come on the live to also invite her. She's going to pop up very soon, and we want to iron out issues. Before I call my sister Zuva on live, let me just read some of the comments which are here already. All right. What are people saying? Are people excited about the live? All right. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. I can see a lot of people are joining in, and we can see. We just try to put the volume down. All right. Zuvalicious and Tatalicious, that's Charlene. Well done, Taneta and Stupid Spice. That's very true. Thank you so much, Zvana. She says, Wakachena Tate. Stabile Moyo, please join, darling. Love you from Cameroon. Oh, thank you so much, Juvim Sanga. Hella ndoku gona tate. I love that dress. Unozufekera. Thank you so much, Anna Chari. Wakachena sweetie. Thank you. So today it's Tatalicious and Zuva as day. When you do something wrong to someone, you have to admit, to say you have stepped the boundary. You have really gone all the way in doing something wrong. And mind you, Zuva has got a very, very huge following, and I wouldn't want me to be despised by Zuva's following, because we work for the same cause. We are free spirits people, and we really want people to be educated with different aspects. We are educating people. And Tateko Cadence, Nas, we are not doing dances. Nas, we are really, taking some time, Zuva and I, and let me just try to add Zuva, and I hope, okay, I can see her. Oh my God, okay. All right, she's just fixing some logistics now. So that's it. I'm waiting for Zuva, just reading some comments in the meantime. And it's okay, Richie, it's okay. It's okay. I'm just reading some comments now. Richie was saying everything is balanced. Thank you, my husband. The setting, I love the setting. Gawi and atopinda toilet in Basa. Oh, people are so, wanting to hear. And people are saying, hey, Tate, I just love you. I wish everyone can learn from you. When you're wrong, apologize, and life goes on. Yeah, why do I have to do this? Because of the great following we both have, Zuva and I. So we wouldn't want to have Team Tatalicious fighting Team Zuva. We really want the two teams to come together. And if Zuva is having a live in her own shows, I want my team to join in and learn something from Zuva. And if I'm having some lives in my own shows, I want Zuva's team to join me and learn some things. And also I learn some things from Zuva's team. So that's how it is. We hear people are saying, oh, Zomba Hungwe, Hilda Makama, people are calling each other. People come. People come. Everyone is happy. Let me just check here if I can add Zuva now. Okay. Yes, I can. Okay, let me just do this. Approve. All right. Hello, baby.
Hi.
I'm happy you have made it, girl. How are you, my sweet?
I'm okay. I'm fine, my dear. I mean, more saka network, but can you hear me?
I can hear you, and you look so gorgeous, my darling. Cleavage, your cleavage.
Thank you. You look so pretty too. Wow. You look so
I'm
pretty
happy
too.
you have made it, my love. It's all about, I was telling my fans to say, I don't want people to feel pity for me because ndakazvibatira moto. I started Zuva ndakamudena and I went on her own wall and on her post ndikataura zvandakataura, and before ndataura what I said to my my own fans, I really want to apologize, Zuva. Ndakatadza zvisingaiti. As ladies, I know in groups like PH you have had my back before. Ndakatoona vanhu vachinitumidzira ma-screenshots chinzi tate munhu wanga uchitaura zuva rekuti hure, do you know that she stood for you in PH? And I was so embarrassed with my own shit. And ndakati no, this is 2018 now and Zuva is doing great in a platform. What's the reason of me fighting Zuva or going negative comments? Okay, if I have something to say which might intrigue people, I have to go into Zuva's inbox. Then we finish it there. Because you have a great following, I also have a great following. So we don't want to be like Van Machangotanga kuya pa social media, you know. So I am very, very sorry, my sweetheart. Please forgive me from the bottom of my heart, Zuva Habane. I know I did wrong, and I hope you forgive me, my love, because we just want to stop this cyberbullying.
Okay, I understand. I completely understand. You know what? Since that day, I'm trying to look for a quiet place. But since I'm trying to look for a quiet place because I'm in a mall. I'm in a mall.
It's okay, my love. Take time.
But since that day, let me tell you something. After, when I saw your response, I realized, Kuti, you had only seen half a video. Yes. So when I found out Kuti, I wanna the full video, and I then understood where you are coming from. Kuti, I'm going that part where now I'm talking about blowjobs and all. Had she seen the whole video, she was never going to even say my prostitutes and all that. I think I mentioned it in my reply to your video, Kuti. No, man, this lady, I don't wanna full video. This is why she said what she said. So immediately I just let it go. Half information.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. And what I just realized is, Kuti, some of the times people like me, because in any my catchment area usually it's Ngochani and people who are HIV positive and also sex workers. So I want to inspire those people, even single mothers out there, because I was brought up by a single mother. So kana ndakuzoenda out manje ndichizoposta pane umwe single mother kana kuti mumwe mukadzi ari kutaura about marriages, instead of us having unions. Ndopandakati no, I went over the step. And you know, sometimes to just come like this and apologize is good. I don't believe no tate, you have to just go on Zuva's inbox moitirana video chat kwenyiko kumopedzerana. No, I didn't. In the first of all, ndakazviitira pachena, ndakakomenda comment yaZuva pakazara vanhu. So if I'm going to fix these things or fix these differences between me and Zuva, I must also come back pakazara vanhu. Ndokumbira ruregerero ndozvinoita kavanhu vakura naizwa tofananidzwa neperere naiswita.
Wow, you are so right, Sha. Wow, so you know what, you have encouraged me and you Kuonoti. Sometimes it's okay to just ask for forgiveness, but it's not about that. It shows the humor in you, because now you're the bigger person. Now you're the bigger person.
No, we are both big.
But yeah, honestly, when I saw your message in the morning, I was humbled because I did not expect that. And to think that you did that, it showed me a completely different side about you, Kuti. The people that we see on Facebook, we make our own translation of these characters. We see what we want to see, and then we take from there, and that's it. And then we make our own person, Kuti uyu munhu anofana kunzi, akadai. Like what I did, I automatically, yes, I was supporting you and all that, but there was a serious thin line between love and hate, and I found myself questioning myself. Okay, I was down for this lady. I was posting and sharing a video. Sometimes I would even talk about you, Kubasa, because it's a big
That's
issue,
true.
Kubasa, right? And then I moved from my Tatalicious to this bitch that I became, and all
No.
because of what I thought. But then I figured, look, she's got a big following and she helps people. There's another side to this person, definitely. Nonsense. Obviously, for her to have so much following, she must be saying something positive. She must be saying something positive that is actually helping people's lives. Let me tell you something, rubbish people don't follow you or don't listen to you. Okay, and it goes beyond Facebook, because once you're now talking about these people and their marriage and what's happening to their lives and giving them these life-altering advices, she must be something tangible. She must be a serious person about what she does. So
That's true.
why then would she then come down to her from her throne to do this? I think something happened. So when you told me, when I realized you watched half of the video, I'm like, had she seen the whole video, I don't even think she was going to say this. She was probably going to laugh it off and then keep scrolling.
And also, when you came and you expressed your feelings, to tell you the truth, some people would say maybe Zua went all the border, she took up. But I would also take some sense in what you were saying. To say,
I'm the one who's supposed to be apologizing.
No, sweetheart. Pane mapoints awakataura ndakanyasoda pawaitaura live yako yawaindidzikamisa iyaya. Ndakati Zuva ari kunyatsotaura mapoints ekuti I should learn how to be a lady from you, because you've been a lady, you know, ndisati ndatombozvarwa, because I believe you are much older than me. So I want to learn, you know, from those aspects of saying, Zuva, if I need some, you know, tips as a lady, achango budao, you know, I really want to know how to become a lady. So I'm proud of you, my sister, and at the same time, unoziya mwana akatadzira mai anonyara first day kuti sorry. But paanozoona the impact of us ladies, I don't want us to be like other fellow Zimbabweans who just use the social media kutukana instead of kubatsirana. I said Zuva has a very great impact. And if you look at Zuva's following, arikuticha zvakasiyana siyana zvemumba, a variety of things. So I wouldn't want also to go against those kind of ethics and your mandate of teaching on your platform. No, that even my husband, I told my husband in the morning to say, this is the time where we need to lay Inini, I have to say sorry to Zuva. And whether Zuva is going to accept my apology or she's going to reject, but my conscience is now clear and clean to say I should have watched the whole video rather than just watching video or poster by I Harare Extreme. And also one of the things I would want to say to Tatalicious fans or Team Tatalicious, as people want to say, Ikaona Tatalicious atadza, don't go with Tatalicious. There are a lot of people who came into my inbox and vakandidzora vakataiwa tate ndowakatanga Zuva, to find a day to just apologize to Zuva. Those people I applaud. Tikatadza tese tiri a great following, tinofa tese. Ukada kudya poison nekuti tate adya poison, munofa mese. So when I do something wrong, I need some brave people to say, no, tate, you have overstepped the boundary. No, kutamba ndisina kupfeka aiwa kufarira upenyu hwezuva ndanga ndafa neaids, saka ndofana hangu kutamba ndakapombonoka izvozvo handizvo.
I even copy some of your dance moves.
Kutuka vanhu, kutuka vanhu, handidi cyber bullying, handidi body shaming, handidi kungostepa someone's boundary. Unoziva mwe munhu anogona kungoti you have overstepped my boundary. You didn't know that you have overstepped, but you have to stop and just stop it there. So that's my feelings, Zuva. That's why I came to you as a sister to say, no. Please forgive me, and I know you are a sweet soul and you really understand where I'm coming from as a fellow woman.
Cha, it's okay. I should be the one asking for forgiveness because I said some vile things. Sometimes when I go through the videos, I literally say, I cannot believe that came out of my mouth. It's amazing. over small little things. And this is social media, mind you. It's not like that someone's on a mail or anything. This is social media. When I can
I
just
know,
switch off my phone.
sweetheart.
Imagine, Kuti, if I didn't have this phone, I wouldn't be feeling like that. So I had to tell myself, Kuti, this is just social media. But you know what? I forgive you. I forgive you. And I hope you forgive me too.
I
Okay.
forgive you, my dear. Kani ndaitya ndikati ndikauya kuZimbabwe akangondiona muna Harare First Street.
Oh no. Listen, when I saw your response. When I saw your response and you said, Mahure prostitutes, I immediately knew Kuti, I'm not going to the full video. I'm going to this short clip.
That's
and she made
true.
the translation on this short clip. Had she seen the whole video, she wasn't even going to say this. Because this video was not speaking to prostitutes. So immediately I let it go. But I'm so happy that you did this. Neniu, I feel so relieved. You have motivated me to actually apologize to Olinda.
It's one of the things we inspire. If you have a great following, ukada kuenda nenzira isiriyo, watokanganisa vanhu vanokufollowa, because there are people who follow you diligently. Havazozive kuti tate aita overbound. And I still remember some people really stood for me, but even per post yandaposta the 2 pictures of us in the morning, some people were trying to lure me, vachita no tate akatuka. Ndakati yes, she had the right to respond, because there is always a cause and effect. And they need Ndandiri cause, and Zuva had an effect to react to what she did. So people now should learn as we go on. Could also someone was also saying Koma Masimba and Kelvin had those differences, and they ironed out their issues, and they are now going on very well. That's what we want, especially when we have a following which respects us and which wants to find something in us. And to tell you the truth, also if we have some live videos zauchaita which maybe involves Ngochani or Mahure or people HIV positive, just feel free to inbox me time maybe a day before I would want to invite you. I will come and support you. That's who we are.
Wow.
I hate Zimbabweans tabuda munzira yekusapotana.
Exactly. We
are for each other. I don't know why. I don't know. Instead of Zuva has got this experience, me I've got this experience. Let's come together and build a nation. People want to have the spotlight. Yes, spotlight yakanaka. But if you build something with spotlight together in unity, that's right.
Spotlight are not value if you don't have something valuable to give it. It's easy for you to be in the spotlight. It's very easy. But what counts is what you do in the spotlight. Right?
That's very true.
Actually, we have a lot of followers, Vakafana, and a lot of people. I would get inboxes. Kuti, what are you doing? I love Tatalicious and I love you. Now I'm torn in between. It's like I'm caught up in between 2 parents that are divorcing, going make up with Tatalicious and everything. So there's a guy, I don't remember who, I have a wedding, and I want to invite Tatalicious and I want to invite Zuva, and I don't know what to do. These guys, they hate each other. And I really, Kana. When you come to Zimbabwe, you need to go to Johannesburg, but when you come to Zimbabwe, man, we should actually do a show when both of us are on one side of the screen.
Actually, usually when I come to Zim, I pass through Johannesburg, or Arapaya. So usually we sleep in Musento Narichi before we go home. So we will do a show.
I'll come here. Definitely, I'll come to Santon. And then we do drinks next time you're around, yes?
Yes, my dear, showing the people about love. Because one thing which we want to build, Zua, why we did this together, we want to restore the spirit of forgiveness and also the spirit of taking responsibility. Kana watadzira munhu, if you have done something wrong to someone, no matter your position, isusu tichiri vanhu vesocial media kazuva, we are also telling this even to our big politicians in Zimbabwe. Exactly. Things in Zimbabwe. If you have differences, people should settle their differences so that isusu tiri pasi tisazopiwe any effect. Saka ukaona isusu anatatelisha sinazuva taakuregerera vanhu vari kumusoro, they should learn something also to stay we should forgive each other, let bygones be bygones, and work our differences together and move forward with life.
You're so inspiring. You're so inspiring. My goodness. Well, I know, no. Listen, I know this side of you. I know this side of you. Remember, I was a follower. I was a fan, and I would share your videos. So I know this side of you. But most of the times when you're talking to everyone. So it's my topics are called the umbrella term. You don't necessarily direct your comments to anyone. But the idea of you speaking directly to me, I don't know. It's empowering. It's nice. Thank you so much.
This is for you, Zua. This is Tate and Zua reunion. I told my fans, today is Zua Razua. It's your day. And I want you to feel proud of your craft, what you do to people. You touch people's lives. And well done on your radio show. I've been following it on your Facebook page. Ghost name, but now
yes.
Personally. Well done on that.
Wow, well done to you too. Congratulations. I see your shows every night. I have to log in my account. So I have to log in and I hate you and I'm watching and I hate you, but I'm watching and I'm learning and I'm still angry.
One thing I love about you, Zua, when I'm doing my makeup, then in a picture Zua. Nepicture yaRuby paside nonyasoti vanhu ava ndo vanondisira makeup zvandodawa zuva kana akapfeka dress eyeshadow yerudzwa. Even today I had to take time kuposhera makeup because you embrace that spirit. Atifadze vanhu vese zuva. You must know that there are some people vanongokuvengera kunaka kwako, vanokuvengera zvauri, but I don't want to be that person anokutsikirira tichifana kusimudzirana. We must just learn to accept who we are, and of course if you are glamming, if you are shining, let's bring it up and let's accept who we are. Those are and I hope people will learn from us.
They will, because the more we do this, the louder we become. One thing I know for sure is that people are learning. The only way for us to be bigger is to keep learning, keep teaching. Oh, they do listen. You should see my inbox. I'm sure your inbox is full of those people also that come for advice, they give you advice and all that jazz. This is what I basically do during my lunchtime. I'll be responding to people with marital affairs, with relationship affairs, with sexual problems and all that. So the more, if you keep shouting and you keep making noise and you keep pushing and you keep talking and you keep dancing and you keep on doing that, they are listening. They are listening. They might not say anything. Okay? So it doesn't, do not stop. That's my motto. Keep talking. They will listen. They are listening every
Thank you, my sweetheart. Thank you,
my
sweetheart. And one thing I just want to say, I'm your biggest fan. I'm your support, and we are not perfect. I hate people who come on social media and they think that life is a perfect phenomena. No, life is not perfect, it's not ideal. We have our mistakes and tunofana correct those mistakes. And even if you didn't feel kuti watsika munu, your responsibility or what you have to do is to ask for forgiveness.
Exactly.
Whether Azo accept or not. And I think also this goes to our fans. I really want Team Zua and Team Tatalicious to reunite. And I also apologize to Team Zua. Sorry, ndakatuka Queen B wenyu, and that won't happen again. It's one of the things which I want Team Zua to respect my team also. As two teams together, we can build a nation with our topics.
Team Zua ka itape wudnu amachengete magrudge ndeyo kuseka seka. They don't really keep things. Of course, they were upset because a lot of people came to my inbox and stuff, right? But Team Zuvaga, I can't engage. Okay. I know they're watching right now. Team Zuvaga, you need to apologize to Team Tatalicious. Some of you people were blocked. Okay? Yeah, they would come to my page and say, Daenda kwa Tatalicious ndikataura nonsense ndikablock.
Yes, some people would say actually before I comment, I'm ready for your blocking Tatalicious. you did this, and they were very correct. Zvakafanana nekuti kana tiri vana vadiki paipazuva woudzwa nemubereki kuti nzira yauri kufamba iyi haiite iwo nenyaya yekuti you just want to be full of I know what nzira inoita, but that was the moment. But I also thank my gods, Mwari nemudzimi yangu, kuti yaita kuti ndirealize ndisafe ndisina kukuti sorry, or tisaparadzane ndisina kukuti sorry in front of you. Yes, thanks to Facebook, I can sit down with you now via Facebook Live, because I couldn't come, maybe andina mari yekukwira ndege kuya South Africa or what, but it's because of Facebook Live yaita kuti tiuye pamberi pevanhu titi sorry to each other, and other people should learn from that. And Summers, actually yesterday I had a HIV and AIDS live. Summers was the one who, Rutendo Samanyika was the one who said, Tatalicious, you have to go to Zuva and clear out your differences. Ndakamudza pa live pangu dezuro ndakati unoziya Samanyika apana ma differences aripo. Zuva is the most sweet person I know. Ini ndini ndakatokonya Zuva, and I have to really reach out to him and say so. Because dai ndisina kucomment any comment, dai Zuva asina kana kumita any.
Dai forward, I know, I understand. I'm actually working on a TV show with these other guys, but it's still in the pot, still in the pipeline. I think this thing started at the beginning of last year. And Pawakati, you need to come up with a list of Facebook personalities and all. I wanted to diversify, and you were part of it. But I could not approach anyone yet because no one's in pipeline.
I know, sweetie.
Tangible, and then you start calling those people, you start calling the Facebook personalities because when they're following, and we can have like a Facebook TV and all that jazz. So when all this happened, even the producers were like, you need to make peace with this lady because we need her. She brings another diversity and all that jazz. I knew it in my heart. I'm like, but you know what? The things I said were vile. If anyone can forgive out of that, and I would understand if I called her and I say hi Tatalicious and she said fuck off, I would completely understand. But for you to then do this, oh my goodness, thank you so much. You are so inspired. I promise you, you are so inspiring. Because because of my Facebook personality and stuff, I have a lot of things that I talk about. And apparently, I think about 2 years ago, I said something about Olinda. I wasn't really shouting at her or tuckering her. I just said I gave her tough love. I don't know, I'll send you the video. I gave her tough love. And I know till today she is still upset. So for you to then do this, you have inspired and encouraged me and motivated me to go and right my wrongs. If I'm to call Olinda and do a live with her and say, everybody will know that it's inspired by Tatalicious. You are so inspiring. Right now, I'm so humbled.
You are so sweet,
no, and this is champion. And this is champion.
I know we have also some of our fans tigare like this.
Oh yes, they enjoy the fight. They enjoy the
fights.
No, we can always listen. We can always have mama battles of debate and everything. But munesha kanaka. Kwete kuti ndichikata phone ndine BP, ndichikata phone anditodyi nokuti ndanzi. But then you and I can have serious wars on serious topics on a debate.
Exactly.
Tichipedza ipapo ndozokufonera kushamwari kwangu apfeka ma-earring happy nhasi, you know, stuff like that. Thank you so
That's
much.
Very true.
Thank you so much.
You are very welcome, my love. I really appreciate this. Even me, I have come to realize, Kuti, forgiveness brings every, movement in life. I still remember when I was watching Sarafina, the South African movie about Nelson Mandela. Behind that movie, it was all about forgiveness. How Nelson Mandela forgave people in the apartheid and what. And in Zimbabwe, unaona even ku UK, kana kuno ku Sweden, chaiko, or everywhere. Ma Zimbabweans, they don't have any link yakanaka. Vari kutoshorana. Unoziya kwega kutoshorana kuti kana paine muZimbabwean andiuye, asi kana paine muCongolese or any Zambian, I can come there. But why can't we build that? I love people from Rwanda and people from Uganda. Those people are, the unity which resonate between them, it's very powerful, Zuva. In Sweden, we've got people from Uganda and Rwandese. They build companies together. They build unions. They build everything. But in Zimbabwe, if we go to this diaspora, I want to be the only one. I want to be the only one. Why can't you just Chindini chia, you know? So I think Zimbabweans, we have to grow from that now. I think we learn from these experiences to say, I think this cat fight was meant to happen so that it also brings an eye-opener to people. To say exactly. At the end of the day, Zuva and Tate will sit on the same table and enjoy a glass of champagne. Why not?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sha, I have to get back, Sha, but thank you so much. You have inspired me. You have motivated me. Thank you. This is so heartwarming. Thank you so much. I have to get back and
you are welcome, my love. And as usual, I always say to everyone, Makandi Koshera Mufunge and Zula and Team Zula, Makandi Koshera Mufunge, we love you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, baby. I'll just add some people and you'll see the video later. Bye, sweetie. Okay. I'm adding Shami. Maybe she wants to say something. Shami, I'm adding you so that you can say something. We had Zuva on live. And now Tate and Zuva Taregererana, we are now moving forward with live. So I'm adding Shami. Jackie, I see your comment, baby. Vamwe vanogona kutuka isu hatigoni, we block. That's Jackie. I love you, my Jackie. And Miami Co says Zuva. Then Zoe Mvura says add me. Zoe has just put an adding button, then I add you. Then J.Y. says Makati Koshira Mufunge. Kim says wow. You know, I see tears in Zuva's eyes. Same here, I'm tearing in my heart. Wow, Maregerana, wonderful. That's good. That's you've won. And Tarili Taruvinga says CC Wanonoka. And Rumbi Mandide Ed Wilson Waire is watching. I'm trying to add, I think she is off live. I can try another one. Who is online? I'm trying to add Trifina. Trifina, I'm adding you. If you are there, just accept so that we can also feel we really want to see how people are now reacting to this. Hey, Trifina.
Hi, Tate. Oh my God.
How are you, dear?
I am so humbled to come to this live. I just happened to get in on that time when you guys were just talking about the beautiful thing that I've always wanted to hear. Thank you very much, girls. And I just want to see love prevailing, which is what I am actually tearing because I am one who just a sucker of love. So I love you girls. Magati Koshera. Bye-bye.
Bye, Trifina. Thank you, baby. That was Trifina. She's humble and she loves our union. Let me add someone again. There is Shakira. Shakira, I'm adding you right now. Shakira. Hey, Shakira.
Hi, Sarukam. Hi, Tete.
How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm so happy because everything will be flowing. So
thank you so much. Thank you,
all the time, you know.
And we say no to cyberbullying.
Yeah, you know.
Facebook.
Yeah, I'm so happy about that.
Thank you so much, Shakira, and God bless you. Sweetie.
Goodbye.
Bye. I'm trying to add people. Zoe Mvura, I'm adding you now. Zoe.
Hey, Tatalicious, how are you?
I'm good, Zoe. How are you?
Zvawaita nhasi zvandidzidzisa zvinhu zvakawandisa. And I'm so proud of you. Ndiri kubasa, but I just couldn't wait kuti nditaure newe nditaure kuti that was just beautiful. And I like the way you are so humble and ndadzidza zvakawandisa. And I'm actually crying right now because I just feel like ndikufanira kufonera someone kuti ndimuti sorry wandinenge ndakatadzira kudhara.
Oh, thank you so much, my love, Zoe.
Inini, I'm a big fan of you, and I just love zvaunoita unoziya. handina hangu
Thank you
zvakawanda
so much.
zvekutaura but
Thank you so much.
wagonda.
I'm happy
Well
that
done.
you also realize kuti muupenyu vanhu vanofana kuregererana ndokuti timove on. Zuva is a very beautiful soul and ndaka overstep unoziva ukatadzira munhu wega unozvifila mumwoyo kuti we shouldn't do that. Oh my God, you are tearing.
Exactly.
Thank you so much. So I
know,
really
because
love you so much. And
thank
wakatikoshera
you so
mufungi
much
sweetie.
because ndaona kubva pekutanga video ichitanga kusvikira payaperera. Sha, that was just beautiful. And vamwe vanhu zvenyu muri blessed zvenyu. Unoziva?
Oh, thank you so much. It's from
Anyway,
experience.
thank
You learn from experiences. But I'm happy people also approve, and Team Zua and Team Tate, they are now the same team. We fight for the same cause.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye, Tatelicious.
Bye, sweetie. Love you. Let me just bring another caller. I'll take
Bye-bye.
3 more before I analyze, because I can see a lot of people who want to join. I can see Rosina Mambio. Oh, that's not Rosina. Oh my God, I can so emotional. I'm really touched. Wagona Tate Ed. I can see a lot of people. I love it. Forgiveness is the best. Panache is watching. Laureen B is watching. Everyone is humbled. I'm trying to add this person. I think she's no longer on live. Let me add someone so that we just close the show. Who is here? Mildred Chiera. I'm adding you, Mildred. Kuregerera kunoda vana vane golden balls. All right, Mildred, I'm adding you, my baby. Loveness, I want to add you also. Angauripiko love nae. Add my titi. My titi is there also. I cannot see it. I tell you, look fabulous, and I'm proud of you. Thank you so much. Add my titi. My titi, I cannot see her. This one is not edible. Let me try and find my titi and Loveness. Shami Mildred. My titi, I cannot see you again. I'm trying to add people. I can only see Rumbi. Okay. Oh, Jackie wants to be added. My titi. I'm adding Jackie now. Jackie, are you on live, baby? I'm waiting for my titi. My titi wants to be added. Felicitas Edwards, I want to add you. I cannot see you. Hey, Jackie. Hello. Hello, Jackie. I don't know what's happening with video. Yeah, Jackie. Hello. People are saying, oh, Wakachena Tade. Thank you, Angela. Hello, Jackie. Send your request. Let me just send someone again. Felicitas Edwards, I'm looking for her. Okay. Feli, I cannot see you. Felicitas, I cannot see you, my dear. Felicitas, I'm looking for you. Approve. Summers, I'm adding you now, sweetheart. Felicitas, I'm still waiting for you, my love.
Happy day. I am so proud of you guys. I missed it. I don't know. So I'm still right. Now you have.
I will save the video.
Oh my God, you look so beautiful. I am so proud of you two ladies, two giants, Zakanga Zasangana, and this is like such an example. Let's just call this Forgiveness Month. Let's follow suit. Kana wine muno kanitana naive. You had issues with somebody somewhere, unnecessary. At the most, they are necessary. Make that call. Swallow your pride. It doesn't hurt, especially when you know you were wrong. It's okay. Pick up that phone. It's not going to hurt. It's going to feel so good that right now when you're done, you're going to swallow a whole bottle of wine and feel so good and happy and
I'm
peace.
also good to be invited to a platform, Zazua, And I'm happy that Team Zua and Team Tatalicious can now
Yeah,
meet
you
together and they
guys,
can
you
dance.
are the
That's
people that
true.
lead. You are the leaders. You cannot fight. What do you teach?
That's
So
very true,
I
my
am very
sister,
proud
and
of
I'm
you
so
guys.
humbled. She was an angel, unoziya.
Oh,
Ndatichikanda kati nhasi
she's a sweetheart.
anondisazve, but auya zvakanaka.
No,
Zvinerudo, smile yake, cleavage yake was on point as
obvious,
always.
you know.
Look, that's how it is, unoziya samanyika.
I'm so happy.
Ndakateerera ndiwakandiudza nezuro wakati
I knew you guys would make it happen, and I'm so proud of you too. You look gorgeous, my God. that gown uzokanda kuno. You look beautiful. You look beautiful.
Ndichatumidzira kana vamukuru vakuda kukupindai musvitsa munondiudza ndinokutumidzirai Versace or Dolorento.
tikuzvinamatira 2018 ndewedu.
Ndakarota wachata kureta unopachata iwe.
Oh my God. Pinza Ivamwe, I'm so proud of you guys. I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I want to add Felicitas. I cannot see her. Where is she? Feli, I'm looking for you. Feli. Oh my God, I cannot see her. Felicitas. All right, I'll try. Adalawe Gonyet. Adalawe Gonyet, I'm adding you. But what's happening to Adalawe Gonyet? Pride Mutenda. Pride, I'm adding you now. Timopinzo Boys 9. Pride Mutenda, I'm adding you, my dear. Pride, if you're on live, he's connecting now. Hello, Pride.
Hi, Tatalicious. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Thank you for coming to our live. She the same as Rona says.
This was great. Actually, I didn't go to work today because I'm not feeling well, so I'm actually in bed. But wow, it's actually a landmark to Zimbabweans. People need to start learning to forgive each other. And, change starts with us. Maturity doesn't come with age, but it comes up by taking responsibilities and running with them. And you just showed us a side. So many people say things, and like they look at you and they'll discriminate, they'll say a lot of stuff. And even when I'm at work, I always share things about you, Kunewangwan. You know what, this woman, she makes a lot of sense. And I actually work with one of your classmates from school. And he's like, you know what, I know this person. I'm like, wow, you have no idea. She's such an inspiration. And yeah, this was great motivation. Keep up the great work.
Oh, you are such a
you are doing such awesome and amazing work. You have no idea. You're changing lives. You speak so positively. And, I worked with HIV-infected children since 2009 till 2013. And I've seen a lot. I've seen broken kids. I've seen kids who have tried committing suicide. I've even seen adults. But, for a person to bounce back and spring back and be at the place where you are, taking your trials and tribulations, your test to be your testimonies, your mess to be a message is such a great thing. You are such an inspiration.
Oh, thank you.
And you're always glowing.
I think now the slogan should be Zua for president and Tatalicious for deputy president in the new Zimbabwe.
That would be awesome. I watched this I was looking forward to it because Younger Guns are 15, I'm online and there's nothing.
Exactly.
But
delay. Also, I was coming from work, so I was delayed.
Is it? Yeah, you keep up the great work. You have no idea. You are changing so many lives. It's really encouraging. And you know what? Being liberal, I'm a very liberal person, and most people who don't understand people are liberal. And because they feel like you are being loose or letting go of certain things. But you know what? We all have different views. We are like a broom. People, we're like a broom. We have one goal, which is the stick. But we all have so many filaments, which are the people, right? Which make it what it is. So we are all trying to achieve one goal, to live and be happy and have a great life, right? But how we approach it, how we do things is totally different. Diversity makes us who we are. Because if we're the same, if we did things the same way, if we did things the same old way, it would be boring. You get it?
It would be boring. If we all like rice and chicken, it would be boring.
Yes, you get it. So more diversity where you yoka. That's where we have the flavor of life. And to you, if you're a spice, I wonder which spice you would be, but you'll be one of the rarest one. You know,
Pride do not
that's so true. Because you're such an inspiration. You are. You know,
I'm really humbled. Thank you so much. And it makes the two of us with Zua. She's also a lady of virtue. I love her post, you know. Me to go to a wall to call her what I called her. Shakandi Zikisira kuti no, I stand to be corrected and I had to be corrected. And the government that no, when time comes, you come back and oh sorry Zua, I did this, it's so wrong. So also having guys like you, because usually my platforms, Panongo, we have a cards, but I was so actually shocked also to see a guy on the platform. And thank you so much. Because having a guy who is speaking on behalf of other men, I really bow and curtsy for you because you have shown the other side of Zimbabweans. To know, usually it's not in Zimbabwe, in Zimbabwe, I don't tolerate this. But if you are a guy who is speaking on behalf of other men, you are showing that, you know, your liberal mind gives that add of flavor to everyone. So I hope and trust everyone who's watching. Lens kuti tese atingazodesadza nemuriwo unedowi. Some people would say anodasadza nematemba or sadza nemunyeve or something like that, so that we all have a diverse mindset. So thank you so much for telling these wise and kind soft words to me. I really liked it. And even my husband is tearing on the couch now. Yeah, you know.
You like, I don't want to lie to you, you're like such a bundle of joy. You're such an inspiration. I always look forward. Even look at a live video, I'll go back and look for it. And yeah, I'm seeing so many people that I know right now watching, and it's you have no idea. For a person who was sick to have such a face, you should know that you have put a really great smile on my face.
Oh today. My God. So how are you feeling now? How are you?
I didn't have an appetite, but yeah, I went and got an injection. That's why I'm a bit better right now.
Oh, that's good. All I can say is I love you so much and wakandi koshera mufunge.
Yeah, thank you. And it's my first time knowing about Zua. I didn't even know who Zua is, and she's such a sweet soul.
She's a very phenomenal woman, beautiful, intelligent, and also you should follow her posts and page, Zua Habane. She teaches a lot of things. And also, one of the things I came on live to do this live, because as you all know, I was a man before and I'm transitioning, and I'm still transitioning to be a better woman. And Zua was born a woman. So I'm learning a lot from women who were born women, how they handle other issues. So I'm really humbled. She came on, she accepted my apology. I also accepted her apology. And that's life. Life is a powerful medium, and you just have to get on with it. And I learned a lot from that. And thank you so much for coming on board, Pride.
You're welcome. As I said, maturity doesn't come with age. It comes by taking up responsibilities and running with them. You know, like for us men, being male is a matter of birth, but being a man is a choice that one person makes and takes. So, you know what, I'm choosing to be a man. I'm taking responsibility and running with them. And you know what, with women, I don't want to lie to you, there's no man who can be whoever he can be out there without a woman. And strong people like you make the world a better place to live in. And you know what, with your advice and what you're doing, you're going to take this world to a better place. And with this new Zimbabwe that we're coming in, which is so
Pride, all
right, okay, thank you so much. My best friend.
All right, Pride, I love you so much. Let me take another caller here. Olinda, Queen Olinda wants also to join. So let me see if I can add Queen Olinda. I love you so much, Pride. Mwah, mwah. Kisses to you.
All right. Thanks very much, Tate.
Bye. I can see they say Olinda is there. Oh, Olinda Chapel. Queen Olinda, of course. Let me end. Queen Olinda is on live. Queen Olinda Chapel.
Hi.
Hello, Queen Olinda.
How are you doing? Can you hold the phone? Okay.
I'm great, thank you. Thank you for joining me on live.
I've got my cameraman with me here, but I'm driving.
That's beautiful, my love. How did you see this?
I didn't see much. I don't know what's going on, but Nangoya Ngadi, but I didn't get you slay Queen Bichada Bichan. I love your outfits. Ah,
Thank you,
I,
my
I,
queen.
I love I love your outfits.
Wakanyora mamessage akawanda Olinda handina kureply vandakangoti ari rimwe gore tichasangana. I'm
Kupi.
happy that Queen Olinda
Kuma messages
is
Kupi.
here. Pa Facebook ndichiti Queen Olinda, I just like your tenacity and how
Oh,
you choose life.
thank you so much. I appreciate that. I
So
absolutely
what we
appreciate
had
it.
today,
So
we were
what's
just
going on?
having a ironing out issue. Ndakaenda pa post yazuva. There's this lady anonzi Zuva Abani, and she say she wrote about side chicks and small houses. Then inini ndakaenda ndikati no hure something, calling her a hure. So I did something wrong, and I realized kuti with her great following and also with my following, I didn't want to create a clash. As you know, nowadays there's a lot of cyberbullying on Facebook and every social media. So I spoke with my husband and we agreed to say I have to reach out to her and ask for forgiveness. And I'm happy to say I have accepted my forgiveness. And
Did
she
she accept your forgiveness, or did she accept your apology?
She accepted my apology, and she also apologized to me, and I also accepted and forgave her, to say that's life. Sometimes you meet these challenges in life, and atidi kushaudana sevakadzi, it's not good, especially Zimbabweans. Olinda, you've been in the UK for a long time, kuti British people, they really assist each other in everything. But it's also Zimbabweans, if we just go out, even kuno Sweden, we have this eyeing out for each other. Atina that unity. So I just wanted to start creating that taste of saying we as Zimbabweans, we have to support each other.
That is actually a very amazing thing, because you find kuti women have got a habit, especially in our community. They always try to find fault, even pasina fault. They try to bring each other down. Pasina reason to bring each other down. Can you get my purse? And then the car keys. And with that being said, it's great that you guys are communicating. It's great that you guys plan a dialogue. And when somebody, I always believe the best apology is always changed behavior. The best apology is changed behavior. Changed behavior, meaning it's not just about saying sorry because more my views, moti sorry, and in that minute, then a couple of days later or a few days later, you're back to your old habits. You're doing what you were doing before. And Nigrini, inina angu personally, but Zuba has had a go.
That's true.
She's called me names. She said whatever she said about me, and she's talked about me. But some of us, we just brush it off and we move on. Did you lock the car? Okay.
That's very true. And I think also what you are saying, it's all about principles. Principles are not principles when they are not acted upon. And I have really learned from this experience myself to say, when we come out on live and we ask for forgiveness, whether you didn't feel like it, but you have to do it. I hope and trust Kuti, also our teams, Team Zuva and Team Tatelishas are also going to iron their issues, and we come together as one. When I see you, Olinda, Inina Angu, to tell you the truth, I love the woman who you are, especially when you are lending your hand, helping people. She has the resources to change the world and helping people. Vanhu vanozotaura vai hangu inini handidi kukomenta pakazarana because unozotsika futi munhu konzi. But all I can say is, Olinda, you are one of the inspirational people in Zimbabwe, whether people want it or not. Yes, my love. You are helping the community. And congrats on your upcoming wedding with Titan. Hopefully, Nini and Richard, you send us an invitation and maybe we can come and see the wedding also. It will be an honor. We really want the best of you, my sister. Thank you for coming on the platform.
Yeah, like I said, just to be beef stew, whatever, beef chakuti. Sorry, I'm busy buying meat. Like I was pointing out, the most important thing is I'm happy. Get 10 pounds worth. I'm happy that you guys have made up, but like I said,
tinoda kuona changed behavior, right? The best apology is always munakati sorry ndakutadzira handichazviita mangwana ka I'll be watching you Tatelicious kuti hausi kuzvidzokorodza hausi kudzokera
it's okay my queen Oli. Watch and watch my dear. That's very true.
Wakadressa like this and you're looking all graceful and all beautiful and just oozing of so much class. Pane mamadays ekuti unombeta mavideo yako ndoti ndikavhura tokurumidza kuvhara. I love you like
Ipapo Olinda. Ipapo rega ndifare ndakashama Olinda. Olinda, I almost died of AIDS. 2011 was a terrible year for me. So sometimes when I dance, I'm a plus size woman. And I see Beyonce, I see Rihanna, those ladies dancing in lingerie or what. Then I say, okay, Tatelicious, you are over 100 kgs. Why can't you dance celebrating life? So that is an aspect which I cannot remove. When I dance Olinda, especially in Dakashama Paya, I'm just celebrating life.
Yeah. But you know what?
It was dreadful.
That's the thing, Yekuti. If you go on somebody's timeline, right, you will come across things that you might like or you might not like.
That's very true.
Achitamba the way she does. But it doesn't mean I have to throw shade. It doesn't mean I have to put you down. I just agree to disagree with you in that moment. There are moments when you're all like this and I'm like, oh wow, I will sit here for an hour and I'll watch everything that you're doing. But it's not my place to come and tell you what is right and what is wrong and be faithful.
That's true, baby.
People have the right to post what they want to post on their timelines. People have the right to post. Mune is got freedom of speech. Let's just learn to respect people. Nezuro ndaka posta ime joking it all over the internet. Yakanzi, I wake up to I love yous and some of you wake up to battery full remove charger. because of that joke, somebody came into my DM, Akanditi Anzi, you need to be a role model to people. Why are you posting that? Unotukirwa joke. And I think Zimbabwean community, we need to stop catching feelings. So well done on you guys. Thank you so much. And
thank you so much, Oli. Say hi to your family and I love you so much. And
thank you so much. Bye.
Bye-bye. That was Olinda Chapo. Okay, let me just read some comments here. Olinda, thank you so much for joining. And Jackie says she wants to be added. Let me add looking beautiful, Tate. Thank you so much, my people. Battery full. Tabo Makoti. Let me add Jackie. She also wants to say something. Felicitas, I was looking for her. I didn't see her. That's Jackie. Try to see your phone. I'm adding you now, Jackie Ngarande, my love. I love you, Tati. I love you so much also, Chantel. Hello, baby.
Am I Sandbeg? I'm Tidaro, man. I'm Mungati. Mutidaro. What say?
Daddy, Konai, my
would like to say, well done, well done, well done. Kure gereraga kuno jiga muridzi anditi asuri kukwanisa wachona kuti sorry zvinokujiga mumwoyo anditi ndetine vamwe nekuti anotoziva kuti apa akakanganisa but ane zenze neego yayo inomudza kuti don't apologize. Ukaapologize wadzikira chimiro, wadzikira unhu wako, wazvishoresa. But I would like to say thank you so much, Sisi. Magona zvisingaiti hapana chamabva, and I'm sure kuti vanhu hobo vadzidza zvinhu zvakawanda. Inini I am actually Zua's victim. Zua akandinyora pawall pake I think last year. Ndakachema zvisingaiti ndikafonera Auntie Jenny ndikati Auntie Jenny ndozvandaitwa naZuva izvi kusvika paextend yekuti mafans aZuva akati amai vangu ihure. I was raised by a prostitute, you know, of which my mother died a faithful widow, you know. So,
but I know
Zakandibata,
my love. And
because
I know
what I understand,
you are an inspiration, Jackie.
As much as
you are an inspiration to a lot of people, and I know you've got a good heart and a good spirit. So I hope also muchauya papoint na
I think
zuva
nyaya
yekuti your differences.
I think ngeri nyaya kunzi Jake aba phone here, something like that. Zvikanzi no, Jake uyu ihure. And then it then even went kuti my friends ake anga kuti Jake mwana wehure ka uyu. But a lot of things were said, but you know what? Ngatidena nepa Facebook is also as people and it, but never ever on any circumstance must you bring parents and it. Munotora mnyama kana tiri paFacebook hatiziani tatenda iwewe unera shonga muzvare inini ndiri soko pana achera kana tichiona na physically kudai so hatiziye kuti mwe munhu ndiani, you know. So
that's very true, but I
found Auntie Jenny ndakachema Tatelisha andibata.
You are still hurt, Jackie Mnunguna. You are still hurt, but I know Zuva will reach out to you and actually apologize.
Because ndakambloka because ndotomutya because munhu anobata mai vangu ka anenge achibata guvhu rangu urikuona ari kubata rukuvhuto rwangu. Ngati ndituke hysteric, but never on any incident must you bring my parents. Anditi mwana wega wega hapana mubereki anoreiza pambi anditi hapana mubereki anokudza mwana achiti ndoda kuti mwana we agokura agoita mbavha uyu Tobias agoita doctor anditi. So pamunotaura mashoko ka munodenha kana vari vakarara vari kumakuva munotora munyama maona tiri paFacebook but munotora munyama.
I know, sweetheart.
Kana makutuka wabereki kana munhu akutuka wabereki ari muguva ona.
Jackie, I apologize on behalf of him. Mai vaisafana kubatwa, but iwewe ita ghost account ndichamuudza kuti uri kucreate ghost account then you first iron out.
I will definitely do unblock her, but
yes,
you know what?
Unblock her and more iron out.
Let me tell you something, Tate. Mukadzi anonzi Auntie Jenny as much as people can try to underestimate her, or even our Auntie Jenny vakandibatsa ndakavafona ndikati anti mimi ndimnotaura naZuva andinyora pawall pake ini nangu ndakumbloka but vanhu mafollowers aZuva anditukira mai vangu. And if I touch the ground with a keska, those who know me really know what I'm talking about.
But chinzwa ikani nai makwira miti. Nai manuwe mukamba mamva matsamwa kudaro runako rwese ruri paFacebook runoenda urwo. Potai muchiregerera vanhu vanokutadzirai kana nai manuwe. Ini ndiruda kuona that beauty. Yes, I know it touched your heart, my sweetie. But inini, I told you when we were chatting last time, ndikati ndaona wachata gore rino manuwe. So we want positive vibes. I'm speaking positive vibes in your life. Zuva will come to you and block her and she will apologize. Panam ngatipedzera nechero ini paitaurawo zvakasiyana akabata. But unongozoti upenyu hunoenderera mberi anditika endewo vanhu pavakataura vachiti Jackie aba chakadai vanhu vanenge vasingazive nyaya. I still remember in the days I came out in Zimbabwe, Sunday Mail yakandinyora zvakawanda, thief, liar, pathological liar, chii, but people move on with life. You just have to know that you have support, and as someone said, February is a month of forgiving each other. Let's create that. Jackie, I consider you as one of the most beautiful women in Zimbabwe, including Pokelo. In the team, we want to see it.
Inini chandiri kutaura ndechekuti imimi maita basa matiratidza gwara nenzira kwayo inofambwa nemunhu mukurarama kwedu kwatinoitaka chako wega mukonde wesadza kana sadza chairo ndikazokudaidza vanhu kuti Tatelicious gara apa tidye kana pakanganiswa chinhu ka panofanira kuita munhu anoya pamberi handiti kuti wakumanaka I'm so sorry vanzwa tinopfuurira mberi. Last week chaiyo 2 weeks ago ndakabata foni yangu ndikasimudzira mumwe munhu from Facebook here ndikati ufungeka unazondiregerera kana ndine chandakakutadzira
ndizvo chaizvo
panouya handidi kuti ndife uine chigumbu neni handidi kuti ufe uine chigumbu neni.
And you have to know, Jackie, when you post, paunoposta mavideo, mapictures ako akachena zvisingaite, a lot of women want to work very hard vasvike paposition yauri. So it also pains us to say, pane vamwe vanhuwo vane influence vanenge vakuda kuzotikanganisa. And I know Zuva is a sweet person. Ndandisati nambotaura naye directly like today, but ndaona kuti she can come down also to earth and she can apologize because ndini ndakamudena. I'm speaking as ndini ndakamudena. So I know now Zuva from experience. So I know if you just talk together and if you want to come on live also muchi inspire vanhu vanotukana vaya. Pane mabeef akawanda ari pamafacebook apa. Vanhu vanotoda kuurayana vachiita unge mheno pamafacebook apa. Saka tikatanga kuita that spirit of forgiving each other and moving on with life, Jackie. Uri kuchata iwewe this year, Zuva achichata, Olinda achichata. Michato yacho ndinokanda mari yese inoperera kumagauni kandi chiuya kumuchato kwenyu. Ndo zvatiri kuda izvozvo.
Exactly. Now you can find kuti manje some of us isusuka kana munhu achiverenga zvaaverenga paGoogle onzwa kuti hanzi henhinga akadai hatisiri isu maona. The other thing manje isusu ana Jeki tinenge tine vakoma vanenge ana Loveness vekuti akanzwa kuti ndaita chakati anomuka pakati peusiku opinza foni amainini madarirei zvakadai hazvivake. So hapana munhu anokwanisa, hapana chara chimwe hachitswanye inda. We need each
That's
other.
very true.
Entertainment community yachona yamuri kuzviti ma-celebrity yachona idiki. Wanzwa padiki patiri kutenderera kudai tikutenderera muna unyani. We need each other at the end of the day. Anditi. Saka ngatiregererane timove forward. As much as other people can say kuti vari successful kana kuti vaita mari ka. Mari munhu wese ane mari inozongosiyana kuti inotenga chii. Yako Tatalicious inotenga Range Rover. Inini yangu inotenga Vitz. Asi yese imari. Tikanzibuditsa imari nichibuditsa $2 yochibuditsa 2 million.
Tikabatanidza mari idzodzo tinoumba chinhu chakanaka. I love everyone. Unoziya ndakachema nezuro ndakagara naRichard. Ndakati unoziya Richi. Zvinondibata moyo kuti in Zimbabwe ma-politicians emuZimbabwe ndo anotishungurudza Jeki. Anoda kuti separate nevanhu vemuZimbabwe. Ma-Zimbabweans, they really like me. Ndinouya pamaplatform tichita havanei nazvo kuti ndiri ngochani Jake. I'm telling you this. But when the politicians are coming, they are dissecting us. Vachitaura kuti ngochani hadzizi vanhu. So I was telling to Richie yesterday, Richie, Zimbabweans are the beautiful people, you know. Vanhu vanoti divide these politicians. Because we fight for one thing. Inini ndiri ngochani handidye chinhu chemunhu, handibe chinhu chemunhu. I'm just a human being. You understand? So my politicians don't know from top vachiti chakati. So I really understand where you are coming from. But I hope and trust that this platform is gonna educate Zimbabweans kuti we are one. We alone can build a nation. Ngatiregei kuparadzaniswa nenyaya yema-differences edu. Ngatiumbanidzwei. As you know, South Africa did it. So Zimbabweans, we can also do it. This is not a phenomenon in America or what. South Africans did it. It's just no jitao. So I really feel it. When I did the HIV positive, people came to the platform. I
cried as well yesterday. I saw it.
People wakataura zvakavarwadza pamoyo, and it's one of the issues chinondibata pamoyo as a fellow Zimbabwean kuti dai pasina zvima-politicians zvinotiseparata zvinotiudza zveculture and Christianity, Zimbabweans will be far much better because they are diverging us now iwe tino nenyaya yekuti vari kutaura nezvengochani instead of vachitadza kutaura kuti 15 billion yakaenda kupi. So that's how it is, but I hope and trust kuti maZimbabweans ticharamba tichichangamuka.
Exactly. And then the other thing is this, Sisi, before I go, anditi. Inini ne Mrs. Tatenda, tatadzirana Tatalicious anditi. Voya ku inbox. Amainina pa manga marasika mkoma, I'm so sorry. Like now, like iwewe na Zuva magazi. Team Tatenda na team Zuva. Ndo vatinoti pachishona vapesvi. Nundira mtsime vanomhanya pamberi vaya vakushidziri. Makamboona vakushidziri vaya kuti moto uri kuda kudzima
That's very true, my love.
Kuti ubvire. Ndo vanhu vaparadzanisa vanhu paFacebook. Vanenge vachiti nini, I am Team Jackie. I'm Team Tatalicious. If you touch Tatalicious, you have touched me. If you touch Loveness, you have touched me. You see,
That's
so
true. I
honestly,
hope it's
ndo vanhu vari
ingori
kuparadzanisa
nyaya
vanhu.
iri kutinetsa. Inyaya iri
Vapesvi,
kutinetsa yekuti vanhu vanopedzisira
vapesvi.
vakuenda kuSweden, kuUK, kuAmerica vachitsvaga kurarama. But maZimbabweans, they really like surviving together. Handisati ndamboona ini ndakakurira kubudiriro. Jeki ukabvunza mukoma Patrick Manyepa Chibans Party akakudza taigara panext door nepanext door before vaenda kuNorton. Handina kumbobvira ndakarohwa nevanhu mubudiriro because ndandiri ngochani. Budiriro igeto rinozikanwa nevanhu ndakangofanana nekumbare budiriro tu. But handina kumbobvira ndamborohwa. Wozonzwa mapoliticians anouya achida kuparadza vanhu. Inini vanhu handisi kuti vanhu ngavataure kuti tate tiri kumuda kumba kwedu. Ini ndiri kungoda kuti vanhu varespekte zviri tate. The same as you, Jeki, ukapfeka zvinhu zvako wakachena wakachenera. Inini kana ndisina mari yekutenga hembe dzinopfeka Jeki, ndinorwadziwei. Jeki ari kurarama upenyu hwake, and let Jeki be. That's how it is. So that was also meant for this forgiveness. Ndakati zuva akandiregerera zvichandisunungura mwoyo mangu, because all I want is for Zimbabweans to have unity. Tibatsirane semaZimbabweans. That's what I want. And I believe one day zvichanaka. But hazvidi kuti isusu tiri pasi tirambe tichikweshana vari kumusoro vachingoramba vachidya ma15 billion edu. And imari yedu, Jeki. I'm being political, and yes, I know I shouldn't. But I must be political. Mari dziri kudyiwa idzi ndedzedu, hadzisi dzavo vega. Yes. Yes, so I just want to say thank you for coming on board, and I'll speak with Zuva personally. Akumbire ruregerero.
She doesn't have to. She doesn't have to. Nguva pasi pana handipedu mukoma handiti ende nguva yedu panyika panapa ipfupi chaizvo. Zvekukumbirana ruregerero kaizvi hazvinoitwa nemunhu akwanisa kuona chiedza. Kana uchiona izvesvo uchirarama muupenyu hwako uine munhu wausingataure naye, either hama yako, mukoma kana muvakidzani, it means hausati wasangana nechiedza. Kana wasangana nechiedza ucharegerera munhu, uchaenda pamberi woti aiwa inonzi andiregererei handiti. Saka isusu tiri kuti isusu upenyu ngauende mberi negwara rakanaka, gwara chairo handiti. Gwara chairo. Hatisi kuramba kuti kutadza kuri muvanhu, asi ngatiregereranei tipfuurire mberi. Tipfuurire mberi nekuti upenyu hahuzikanwi. Pane vanhu vakatoita kuroorana through Facebook handiti. Anonzi hazvizikanwi. Anoziva ndogona kupfuma ndimi kumuroora wenyu. Anonzi ani sisi ndofuma ndiri muroora wenyu handiti. Hazvizikanwi. Nonzi pamwe ndinogona kuzoita kana kuti breast cancer kana kuti vhurira GoFundMe nemafollowers enyaya.
Nekuchena kwaunoita uko.
Inonzi saka unhubuka neumhara patsetsetse hwekuti vanhu vanoda kutungamira mberi sevhiri rechikotyari vachida kuparadzanisa vanhu. Aiwa tinoti pasinemi. Ngatingoudwana naye tifambire mberi neupenyu.
Asi une degree reshona here naye muningira naye maini.
Aiwa papafacebook aiwa shona ndakaidzidza zvisingaite zvekuidzidza chaizvo ndinoigona, asi ndiri kungoti mukoma kudai Mwari atibatsira. Thank you so much mukoma nezvamaita. Madzidzisa vanhu vakawanda handiti kuti kuregerera ndicho chinhu chikuru. Kana uchida umambo hwekudenga, regerera munhu. Ndatenda zvangu. Thank you so much mukoma.
Gore rino uri kuchata Jeki, ndaona zvakaringana. Uchazonditenda wakuti mukoma ndiri kuhani munhu kuAmerica.
I receive, but ndisati ndaenda kandoda kungokwazisa
mukoma. Let me take another call. I love you so much, Jeki. I'll come to your DM.
Thank you so much,
my love. I'll come to your DM. Dotaura nazuva mu iron out issues. You are too beautiful. You are both beautiful ladies. Atidi magrudge kana vari varume regai vaite zvavanoita. Isusu vakadzi, mukanzi musha mukadzi. Musha unoumbwa nemukadzi. That's what we want kuti women. Ndosaka ndakatiza kuita murume ini. Ndaidawo kuvaka musha. Musha unovakwa nemukadzi izvi. Yes. So I wish you well, my sweetheart.
But edai amaititi.
Regai ndiva varipo here vazoita here. Okay, my love. I love you. Bye.
Please,
Jeki. That was Jackie on live, and she's beautiful, talking about forgiveness and peace be unto you. Loveness says Rutendo. Rudy says life is too short for that. Love you, ladies. My Titi via 1 hour in queue. My Titi, I couldn't see her. Let me try again. Neither do I. And this kuwaona my Titi. Felicitas Edwards. I cannot see her. I cannot see Felicitas Vedue. Can you tell Felicitas to re-add again? I cannot see her. I cannot see Felicitas. But in the meantime, I can read people's comments and wait for Felicitas to add. Feli, if you hear this, just please add again so that we hear what Felicitas says. Tate, you are a woman. Thank you so much, Judith Wungwe. Thank you so much. My TT next. My TT, I'm waiting for her. I can. What's her username? Maybe Ndrukupotsa Zita. Can I really Felicitas Edwards and this Kuriwona? Then is well done, forgive and move on is the best way. Much love. Comrade Marian, thank you so much. Becky, I will send a screenshot of this one and I'll talk to her. Then it's that dress cantate, it's a show. Oh, thank you so much, Kanlavu. Valerie says, Veli says, I'm inspired to forgive 2 people today. That's very true. Then Lucy M. Libna, mzukuru wangu weku Switzerland. Hi, baby, I love you. She says, Tate, bless you, Tate unechipo dear. Thank you, Dorcas. Tate rova jive before, oh my God. Munozviziva kuti handigoni kutamba ndine hembe. Zvine zvakutoda kuti nditange kubvisa hembe. Munozviziva. Zvinomanzwa Queen Olinda vachiti, and this is queening. So ndakumboita pauqueening kawa Queen Olinda kuti ndinyasogara musheka. Asi munoziva ini kana ndava kupachuka hembe off. Because then she nesikadi kuremerwa. Tate unotamba uchidai. Shapiro Faye, I love you people. Tata, I used to hate Ngochani, but ndakudzidza because of you. Thank you, Clarissa. I love you so much. You are looking great, Tate. Love you, honey. I love you too. Mela Moms is watching. Looking what, Tate? I'm looking for my TT. If you see my TT, anyway, because she was actually one of the people who said, Satelicious and Zua, you should make up and just iron out your differences. In my TT, Zua and I, we are now best of sisters and we have apologized to each other and life is going on. Satelicious jive before you go. People, and started to send that dress. Oh, my big sister Sandra Morris, I love you so much. Tate, can you please dance? Oh my God, everyone, Richie, people are saying dance. And, you know, I cannot dance in this kind of dress. I only dance naked. Tate kwana, opava, I love you so much, people. I'm looking, let me just look at the list of guests so that I can see if my TT has joined in, so that I can add her. Oh. Invite friends to watch Felicitas. Let me just look for Felicitas Edwards here. Felicitas. Oh, she's not part of the people. Why? I cannot see her, my people. I cannot see Feli. Tate wakandikoshera, that's Pepe. Pepe wakandikoshera ofuti. Oh, I cannot see Felicitas. Let me try to add Rebecca. Rebecca, I'm adding you, my dear. MC Africa, please do that Tatalicious dance. Oh, I love you people. Tatena Zuandiani Muhombe. Ah, my goodness. To iron out my differences. Rebecca, I'm trying to add you, my love. My TT, if you can see this chair. Tate and Zuga. Oh, inindiri do echishongo. Chema tako chakakwana. And this is Chiera. I love this discussion so much. Thank you so much, my people. Thank you so much, my people. So I was trying to add Rebecca, but she's no longer online, maybe, so I can remove her. And people who just want to be added, please just put so that you can approve, and also you can say what you think about this. And we are saying no to cyberbullying. No, 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 no to cyberbullying. No to cyberbullying. She Abby, please add Lorraine, I cannot see you, my dear. And add Lorraine, I cannot see you. Tate, teach me how to jive. I have tried it and failed. Lorraine, I cannot see you. Add, my dear. I'm trying to add this one, is no longer there. Let me look for another one. Okay. Can you tell Felicitas Edwards to just write a comment and I'll add her to say add? Can you just say Felicitas Edwards, if she writes a comment, then I just say add so that she can accept my request. Lorraine, can I see you so that I can add you, my baby? And you can tell us what you think. Lorraine, add Lorraine. Okay, add Lorraine. Add. I'm looking for you, Lorraine, in the comment section so that I can add you. But now, Lorraine, I just see you are here. Oh. Lorraine, bring. Okay. Accept the add, Lorraine. I'm adding you now.
Hello.
Hello, Lorraine.
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for joining the platform,
Thanks
my
for
sister.
adding me. Yeah, I know True Serega. Just a quick one because unfortunately I need to go back to work. Yeah, so nice. I posted like some jokes. When was it? November. So because of my voice, so apparently I'm transgender, I'm gay, Anzi and Okada Zimbabwe, blah blah blah. But then for me at least I'm not didn't really bother me because I got one of my extra jokes from all those comments. But the main thing is that, you know, people, they quick to just make assumptions, and at the end of the day, people just want to control people's lives. You know, if somebody is gay, if somebody is whatever, it's their life. You're not living a life for, you know, for anyone. You know, in Angu, those
That's
comments,
true, Lorraine.
I've actually got more followers on my page because of all that nonsense. But you know, if I was somebody who was actually,
And
you
I
know,
love your voice,
you know,
Lorraine.
Thank you very much.
It's so deep and sexy.
Exactly, and that's the thing. My voice has always been like this, and there's nothing I can change about it. I don't have any intentions to make any changes. So even when I'm talking, I'm just going to have to speak this way. You know, that sort of thing. Whatever the case, but then that's the thing with it. People will always just try and make all these assumptions and comments and you know, cyberbullying. I think it's always so easy to bully somebody from, you know, from behind your phone and whatever, and then people up against you, and I suppose the whole thing, like, you know, Zimbabwe, this whole, like, especially, you know, people like gay, it's always been, like you're saying, you know, quite politicized, and you automatically on that default setting, you know, and you've got no respect for people. As long as someone, like, let's say the racism, somebody's default setting is being racist because their parents are racist. You know, if you're, you know, homophobic because your country is homophobic, but then you want somebody to, you know, consider your rights because you're black, you know, that sort of thing. It's sort of like the same thing, you know, but people will make these assumptions and decisions not based on any knowledge, and you forget that people have got the right to live their lives. People are who they are, and that's it. Unfortunately, Zimbabwe, we've got this whole, you know, the class monitor prefect syndrome where we want to control what everybody else does.
Yeah, which is very bad, and
exactly, that's the thing. You know, we should, as Zimbabweans, just learn to love each other and embrace each other. Like you're saying, you know, in South Africa, people are free, people are who they are, and you know, life goes
exactly.
You know,
and if South Africa did it, why is Zimbabwe?
You know, that's the thing. I think that's
because the politicians want to continue and loot our money.
Exactly.
They came and went.
You know.
People are saying ED is good, but I can also be political because I'm a Zimbabwean.
Exactly.
How can you say an old car is good when the same driver from the same company is just driving the same old car?
Precisely.
Tell me there's a new political party which is ruling Zimbabwe, then I can say there's hope. Mari dzakadyiwa, isusu takatambudzika 2008 vanhu vairara nebhauga, zvinhu zvakapresa lolo. But now vanhu vakuchinjwa diversity vachiti no ngochani hadzisi right, ye ngochani kuAmerica, ngochani.
Exactly. Ngochani
wake up, man.
No, people are just living their lives. I think we should just, you know, learn to embrace everyone and just learn to let people, you know, live their lives. But I think all this whole cyberbullying, like you're saying, people just tend to just gang up on people, and when I don't get
yes, and I cyberbullied
they don't even know
Zuba, and I had to apologize to her. That was the right move to
exactly.
go.
That was
Because even you, Lolo, you have a great following Yako on your page. I will also go and follow it. I once saw your jokes. Then I said, oh, this lady knows how to play with voices. I didn't know that also you are part of the Rainbow family. That, oh, she really knows because you're so beautiful. Then I said, she really knows how to play with voices. But now you're part of the Rainbow family, and I really love it. And I will support you, my sister. This is who we are.
No, I mean, that's the thing too. I'm very heterosexual, but I've got this voice and data. So if I come and talk and say anything, the next thing is people are making assumptions and comments about me. People are arguing about me and making all these funny things. And obviously for me, it doesn't really bother me because it's actually, being a comedian, you actually see the funny side in most of the
That's very true.
Because when I have to argue about I'm in the in the background, but at the end of the day, we should just be who we are and just let people be, because people waste a lot of time and energy trying to look down on people for what reason? They don't even gain anything out of it. You know what I'm saying? So I think as Zimbabweans just learn to let people be, let people live their lives. Just let people be. And the more energy you waste, sorting out your own issues, your own family, spend the hours with my Facebook, which blah 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 blah. Check background. We should just stop it, like Grace Mugabe would say, and just embrace each other as Zimbabweans. We can learn from South Africa. People in South Africa are free. People in South Africa get on with their lives, and they just embrace each other. People will just acknowledge each other, and they'll carry on and get on. Whereas Zimbabweans will be so preoccupied with what do they do, blah blah blah. No, we should just stop it and learn to love one another. But anyway, I need to bounce because
thank you so much, Lolo, and thank you for standing with us against cyberbullying.
Exactly. No, cyberbullying is nonsense. Let people be. People are people, and they should just be. That's what it is.
All right, my love.
All
I
right,
love you so much, and
no problem.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I want to add my Titi. I couldn't see her. That was Sister Lorraine talking about cyberbullying. It should stop. And love you, home girl Lorraine. That's Cordelia. Diana Sona says Tatelicious. Lucia Pataurwa Chokwadi Abba. That's very true. And I also want to say to people, let's ask for forgiveness. Kanawatadzira munu. Just feel free. Forgiveness is not bought, is not sold. It's just coming from the inner side of your heart. So, ngati kumbire regero nai. Anamo says, I love you, Tate. Terry Zimbandu has joined. Then Shepherd Yuda, I cannot read your comment, is very cyberbully. Sorry, my dear. Then there's this Rumbi Mandinde. Are you still there, Rumbi? So that I can add you. I was looking. Chipo, I love you. I see you, my dear. Chipo Gotwere Kwamananga. I say, Bamnina, I love you so much. I was trying to add someone there. I hope she accepts. Then beautiful Tata, thank you. Human hair just joined. My Titi, I cannot see her. I tried to add her. Felicitas Edwards, please, where are you? Try to just add my Ayanda on camera. My Ayanda wants to be add. My Ayanda, can you just accept? My Ayanda, can you accept? I thought you wanted to be add, or maybe she rejected. I'm trying to add people. New movement, forgive me too. Oh my God. Forgive me too. I love Tate. Everyone is just, Zua Habane has rejoined. Zua, can I add you again, my baby? People are just wanting to see you again. Zua Habane is now joined. Can I re-add you, my love? We are still here. A lot of people have been coming, talking about you, Zua, loving what you do, and they really stand for, for your movement. So if Zua can just come also and say one or two things before we close the show. Forgiveness should be the first thing to peace through, Tate. Thank you, Shepi. And Chi Abi says, Mwana wa Shumba, yes, Mwana wa Shumba Ariti. Jackie Ngarande has rejoined again. Thank you for rejoining, Jackie. I was asking if Zuva can come. Zuva, I love you so much. Also, Tendai Dimbara Wondo. Love you, Tata. Thank you, Ed Zuva. Yes, I want to re-ed her so that she can just say hi because we are now on good. If she can re-ed. Yes, I want to see Zuva. I missed you. Rutendo Summers wants to see you, Zuva. Kani Zuva, just come back if you see this so that people can also re-see you. I missed Tate. Kazi Kitchen is watching. You are such an inspiration, Tate and Zuva. Oh, thank you so much. Cece is watching. Priska is watching. My Tite, I was also waiting for her, but I couldn't see her. Missy. Zuva, where are you, baby? I'm just sending you a message. Zuva, we need you again. If you are free, please, Zuva. If you are free, Zuva, loving this. Thank you so much. And the new hashtag now is Forgive Me Too. That's the new hashtag. Hashtag which has been created by Zuva and Satelicious. Forgive Me Too. Hashtag Forgive Me Too. We really want to get into that zone where we are forgiving each other. Juwanda says, Tate, I like you. I like you more, my dear. Let me see if Zuva has just added something here so that I can re-add her. Oh, Lolo, Shami. Yeah, I really want to add them. I want to add everyone. I want to add them. I want to add them. Where is, oh yes, hashtag Forgive Me Too. Summers is there, Karans Matipa Onziraya Kanaka. That's very true. I was looking for my Titi, but I cannot see her. I cannot see my Titi. MC Africa, I see you, my dear. Martha Anonzi, Lorraine, okay. Shepherd is there. Marvelous Mtlanganya Huye. Great message and the hashtag. Yes, thank you, Akoma Mave. We are going with the hashtag Forgive Me Too. Yes. I have forgiven my sister Zuva, and she has also forgiven me because Ndinda Kamdena. You know, so things are going. Let me read this. Tonderai, I cannot read this because Zuva and Jackie will fix their things together. And I'm fixing yangu na Zuva. Anditi, andidu gamira dzinyaya dzevanhu zvinozondibata. Unodena, Yuda, I'm sending you my bill. Adalawe Gonyet is also watching. I was looking if I can find my Titi, but I cannot find a nice dress. Thank you. Matete, love you for that. Thank you, Monica. And Ed, marvelous. Marvelous Mutlanga Nyahuye. We also want to hear you, Vakoma. Muchitudzao kutukuregerera. Kunobatsirei ndimi munoita zvetsika nemagariro munhau dzenyu dze Voice of America makakava Zimbabwe. Yes, the hashtag Forgive Me Too. That's the hashtag we are going for, which has been created by Zuva and Tatelicious. Forgive Me Too. Vakoma, we want to add you from Voice. Yes, hashtag Forgive Me Too. That's very true. I wanted to add Vakoma Onyahuye so that she can also air out what she thinks about this topic, but I cannot see her. There's Lolo Chatira. I don't know if she's still watching. Lolo, I'm adding you if you want to say something. Lolo Chatira. If I don't see you, Lolo. My sister, I'm at home, Dakara, love. Love the hashtag. Oh, marvelous, she's sleeping, Forgive Me Too. Yes. Are you coming to OC's high tea party? Yes, Rutendo serves. Oh, people are just using the hashtag now. Hashtag Forgive Me Too. Yes, inspired by Zuva and Tatelicious. Hashtag Forgive Me Too. Hashtag Forgive Me Too. Of course, Forgive Me Too. Let me look for another. Oh my God. There's Rachel Belter. Rachi. I don't know if you want to be added, Rachel. I'm trying to add now. Patricia wants to be added also. All right, I'll try to add some people because my Titi I cannot see. I tried to add her. Yes, Becky, my Ashley Unga, thank you. Tatelicious, big up, thank you so much. Yes, my banda. Hashtag Forgive Me Too. I can. These people who I'm adding, they are not adding up. I don't know why. Maybe I should just reboot the system because it has been adding ever since, but I don't know. Shami Shiba Karikoga, are you online? You also wanted to be added. Shami Shiba, someone tell Jackie to hashtag forgive me too. Onai Gutu. Yes, Amai Maria Wanda, that's true. Tate Roberta, that's good. I love you, Okanyango. Hashtag forgive me too. Hashtag forgive me too. That's the spirit. Leslie Wazanaika Sunday is watching. Thank you all for joining. I can see those people who wanted to be included. Okay, I will only ask for only 2 people who want to come and close up the session because I can see these people who I wanted to end. They are not edible. I think I have online because I'm trying to add them. Anyone who wants to end the video now to tell us, how we stop cyberbullying. I can see Teddy Honorable Styler has joined. Beth, I love my Zimbos. Oh, that's nice. Lutendo Loveness has been here already. That's good. We were just advocating for no to cyberbullying. No to cyberbullying. Atidi kutukana pa Facebook, especially if we are Zimbabweans. Hashtag forgive me too has been processed na zuwa na tate taregerana zuwa habane amba tate. It's now okay. So we want to see people who are forgiving each other. I really enjoyed this live. And we have come to realize that we can build a nation. I love you so much, my people, and let's go out there and love each other. Let's learn to forgive each other. And Team Zua and Team Tatalicious, we are now one team, and let's help each other in every category. I love you so much all, and Makandi Koshera Mufunge. Bye for now.